Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on? Working on relaxing in this chair on my deck and watching all the hummingbirds. We have a bunch of hummingbirds. Actually, I'll include a little quick video here. I think we have a couple of hummingbirds out here.
We kept losing count. They're so pretty.
So anyway, what's the point of this video? I actually wanted to ask you guys a question. I want to ask everybody a question here. I want to get a dash cam for my car, but I want a decent dash cam, something good. I've seen dash cam videos where people will say, Garmin record video. So, but if you look, there's like tons of different dash cams. I have purchased lesser expensive dash cams, and they're garbage. And so I wanted to get something decent. I know I'm going to spend a couple of bucks on getting a decent dash cam, but I figured let me ask you guys, what if you guys run a dash cam, what dash cam do you use, and how do you like it? I want something that's simple where if I see something I want to record, I either just say something or I hit a button real quick and it records for me. So just something I can have because I see stuff all the time when I'm driving. So anyway, just a thought. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you got. Let me know how you like it. All right, guys. That's it. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.